Hello guys, and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how to draw Minecraft, like how to draw in a Minecraft manner. Now, if you guys notice, everything in Minecraft is a box. It's a very perfect rectangle box. We'll call this 1 by 1. Even my character has a head that's 1 by 1. The body and the arms are literally rectangle. So, and even let's look at this dolphin, right? Look at the dolphin. Dolphin's got everything rectangle, a little rectangle on top. Obviously, it's a bit deep inside the body, which is why we can't see the bottom half. Even the hands are rectangle. So, the main point that I'm trying to prove is everything in Minecraft is a box of one sort or the other. So, drawing Minecraft, all you gotta do is grab yourself a scale, make sure you're drawing perfect rectangle boxes, and boom, now you can draw in Minecraft style. Honestly, it's kind of a joke, but yeah, there's nothing else to it. Honestly, like if I'm being honest with you guys, there's nothing else to it. Like how to draw Minecraft, just make sure you're drawing proper boxes. Look at this. This tree is literally a rectangle with a box that has a dent right here. Well, let's fill it up. A rectangle, and then another rectangle. Done. That's literally it. Minecraft tree. There you go. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.